What's going on, everyone? I hope that you are having a savvy day. I'm Claudia and you're watching Bekitchensavvy. Today, I will be making a strawberry banana paradise smoothie full of proteins, fiber, and exotic fruits that makes this a delicious drink for anyone. Let's get to it. During the process of creating this deliciousness, sometimes you'll need to add in more of the liquid that you're using as the base for your smoothie, and that's fine, especially if you're using a lot of ingredients at once. Or you can add in and blend as you go, but you might still find yourself coming up short with the liquid base. Just make sure that the consistency is to your liking and you'll be good to go. And we're done! I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and as always, please like this video below, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the Bekitchensavvy icon below in the right hand bottom corner of this video. Go and see what other people are saying about this post on our Instagram at Bekitchensavvy, #Bekitchensavvy. See you in the next video.